guy about the three little pigs.
Okay, tell him about this guy.
So this is the straw guy.
Okay, what did he do?
He built straw.
Straw what?
Straw made out of a house.
A house made out of straw.
Huh?
Okay, can you show her the house? Okay. All right, and then what happened?
And then
Keep the house there.
the wolf, he blowed, and then the pig said,
What did the wolf say?
he said, so he knocked on the door,
Knock, knock, knock.
and then you're not coming in from my Henny Chin Chin. Then he said, I will, what?
I will huff.
And then I will huff, and then I will puff, and then I will blow your house away.
I'll blow your house away.
And then he ran away, and then this is the mud guy. Says mud. Mud is dead.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what did he do? He built the house out of what?
Wood.
Sticks, right?
Sticks.
Okay. And then what happened?
And then
Continue showing the house.
and then the wolf came. And then the guy made mud.
The pig.
The pig made a mud house.
And sticks, right?
And sticks. And I can't show him the sticks.
Yeah, you gotta show him the sticks, the house that he made.
And
Yeah,
then
put it down, right?
Yeah.
And then what did the wolf do?
and then the pig said, "You're not coming in from my chinny chin chin."
And what did the wolf say?
The wolf said, "I will huff, and then I will puff, and then I will blow your house in." No, it's funny.
Okay, what about this guy?
This is the pig.
Yeah?
He
And what did he
made
do?
wood.
No, that's the red house. It's
No.
what?
He made it out of.
He made it out of what? What did the house? What was the house made out of?
He made it out of.
It's okay. Okay.
And he made it out.
Show him the house. Oh, the house
He
is
made
falling. It's falling. Okay. Here we go. All right, go.
Start over.
No, it's okay.
And then he made.
Show him the house.
And then she made it.
He.
He made it out of.
What?
Bricks.
Yes, he made it out of bricks. And then what happened?
And then the wolf came.
Ho, 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 ho.
And
Is
then,
this the wolf? This is not the wolf. Where's the wolf?
It's right there under his leg.
Okay.
Let's start over.
No, we're not gonna start over. Go.
And then.
What did he do?
And then the pig said, "You're not coming in from my chinny chin chin."
What? And what happened?
And then the wolf came.
And
then he blew the house away.
But what did he say?
And then
The wolf. What did he say?
and then I ran out of breath.
No, but hold on. So he said he's not coming in, and what did the wolf say? Can you put your house up again?
And then he said,
What did the wolf say?
he said,
Then I'll.
And then I will puff. No, I need to say. No,
Huff.
I need huff. I need, and then I will puff, and I will blow your house away.
Wow. Oh. Well, that house is strong. And then what happened?
And then he ran out of breath. And then the 3 little pigs called the ambulance to help the wolf. And then goodbye, little wolf.
So he's going to the hospital.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And that's the end of the 3 little pigs.